Hello everyone. In this Power BI session, we will discuss how to create Power BI report with Dataverse. Also, we will see how we can connect the Dataverse to the Power BI desktop. So let's see what is Dataverse first. So I know you have a question in your mind that what is Dataverse. So let's understand the Dataverse is. The Dataverse is in Power BI is a data management platform integrated with the Power BI business intelligence platform. It enables users to access and manage data within Power BI and serving as centralized location for storing and organizing data. Database is nothing but storing and organizing data in Power BI, or it is can be used in the Power platforms like in Power BI, Power Automate, or Power Apps. So now let's see how we can connect to this data source called Dataverse into Power BI desktop. So for this, we will navigate to the Power BI desktop. So this is the Dataverse and this is the financial workbook. We are using the same data in Dataverse like we have used in the previous video SharePoint list. So we have used the same data. Now let's see how we can connect to this data source. This is the Dataverse. How we can connect to this data, how we can create report from this data. So for this, we will navigate to the Dataverse in the Home tab. You can see here the Dataverse. So now we will connect to the TSInfo Technology like environment. So here we need to sign in. So click on sign in option. Just select your credential and then click on connect. Once it get connected, you can see here you are currently signed in. Okay, now you can access all your data is available in the Dataverse. So Dataverse is nothing but a common data service which is available all over the platform. And from here you need to search for financial. So from here you can see we have chosen the CRF9A table. This is my financial Excel sheet and this is the table name provided by the Dataverse. If I will go to the Dataverse, you can see here, let me go back and I will go my financial Excel workbook and here you can see the table name, that is the CRF9A table. So I have connected to the same table and you can see there are lots of unrequired columns are available. So we need to format this data and then we can load the data to the Power BI desktop. So for this we will go to the transform data. We will click on import and then we will click on OK. So from here we will remove all those unrequired columns. So for this, I will select all those columns that are not required. So once I selected, I will resume the video. Now I'm pausing the video. You just select the columns that are not required. So here I have selected almost all the columns that are not required. Then I will go to the remove columns. I will click on it and I will click remove columns. So it will remove all the columns that are not required and those are the required columns. It will be available here and you can see the segment column and country columns which we will use to create the report. So we will rename this column like segment, country, product, discount band, unit sold, and manufacturing price. So I will show you the one and rest you can do it. Okay, so from here you just double click it and you can write segment and click on enter. So here you can see the steps is added over here in the applied steps sections. And for this, I will do everything. And till then, you also rename all those columns to the original name. And we will see you soon. So here you can see I have renamed all the columns and now everything, the data type is also correct. So now we will load this data. So click on apply and close and apply. Once the data get loaded to the Power BI desktop, we will start creating the Power BI report. So here you can see the data get loaded to the Power BI desktop. Now we will rename this table So finance. So here you can see the data. This is the data from the Dataverse, and we will start creating the report. So for this, I will insert the text box, and I will increase the size to 24, and we will write yearly finance analysis, and I will increase the size, and from here I will add some effect as we and shadow, and I will provide the color as so yearly analysis, and now we will add cards. Okay, so from here we will select the cells, that is sum of cells. I will so I will add here. So we just provide some effect to it. Go to the general section, and under effects we will add visual border and shadow. So now we will copy and paste and paste. Okay, so here I will add three things like sales we have already added. Now we will add profit. So go to the last one and select the unit source, and from here I will add profit. Next we will add one table to the visual. Sorry, it should be card. Right. Yeah, okay. Now we will create one area chart. Not area chart we will take this time. This time we will take line and stacked column chart. So I will add sales based on country, and then we will add y-axis line. So for this I will add line for unit sold. Okay, so we will increase a little bit, and we will take we will add down, and we will add one more thing, that is donut chart. It will increase the size. So here we will show product based on profit, and we will add some effect to these two visuals. So go to the general section. From effect, you just add visual border and shadow. Similarly, we will add visual border and shadow. Next, we will add one table visual. So we will increase this table visual, and here I will add date. So select the date as date, not date hierarchy. Then select the country, then select the product, then select the segment, and then select the discounts, sales, cost of goods sold, and unit sold, and profit. So little bit increase this size, and also vertically we will increase little bit, and we will add some effect. Go to the general, and then go to the effects. Here add visual border and shadow. As here we have written yearly financial analysis, so I will add one slicer. So I will fit it here. So somehow I will fit it here. I will just reduce the size of the pie chart little bit. Okay. So now I can drag this one. From here you can select the year column. So you can select the year column, and you can use this way, or you can use, let's say, go to the format pen and then slicer settings and styles you can use as style. So you can get two options, and now we can add some effects to it. Let's say color, and we will take the color as Think. So based on 2013, we can select 2014 or 2013 and we can see the data. So this is how we can create report using Dataverse table. That's all for today. Thank you so much.